Here's a trick that can cut 5 years off your digital marketing learning curve. If you're over 40, meet Sarah. She's 52, worked in sales for 20 years, and felt completely lost when her company started asking for digital campaigns and social media strategies. But here's what's crazy. In just 90 days, she went from being unfamiliar with what a pixel was to run Facebook ads that generated $50,000 in new business, and she did it without any tech background. The secret? She stopped trying to learn like a 25-year-old. Most digital marketing courses are built for people who grew up with smartphones. They skip the basics and jump straight into complex strategies. But Sarah found something different. A system designed specifically for professionals over 40, instead of overwhelming tech jargon. She got step-by-step guidance that connected digital marketing to the sales skills she already had. Instead of trying to learn everything at once, she mastered one platform at a time. And instead of feeling embarrassed about asking questions, she learned alongside other professionals who understood her challenges. The result? She's now the go-to digital marketing person at her company. Her boss asks her for advice in online campaigns. But here's the best part, she's not the only one. Tom, 48, used the same approach to start his own consulting business. Linda, 55, got promoted to marketing director. After mastering these skills, the truth is, your experience gives you a huge advantage in digital marketing. You understand customer psychology better than any 22-year-old fresh out of college. You just need the right teacher and the right method. By 2025, digital marketing skills will be essential for almost every job. The question is, will you master these skills now, or watch younger colleagues get the promotions you deserve? You've already got the experience. Now it's time to pair it with the right digital tools. If you're ready to finally take control of your digital future, start with a system that was built for you. You'll be surprised how far you can go when the path finally makes sense.